This is Sam. He's a structural engineer. Sam works at an engineering firm, and his job is to design structures that are safe. But there are other requirements Sam needs to consider. This is Simon. He owns the building Sam is designing and has specific requirements. Things like cost, schedule, and unique tenant needs. Sam will need to consider these specifications when he's designing the structure. Design programs have made it more efficient for Sam to satisfy all design requirements. He can easily minimize the weight of the steel with lighter sections that still satisfy the structure's strength requirements. Less steel will also meet Simon's cost specifications. This is Sarah. She's a structural engineer at Steelcon, a full-service steel designer, fabricator, and installer. This means Sarah also has deep knowledge and experience with steel fabrication and installation procedures. Steelcon is bidding on the steel for the structure Sam designed, so Sarah performs an analysis to determine material, fabrication and erection costs. Sarah uncovers that Sam's lighter structure has actually resulted in steel members with costly connections and fabrication procedures. On top of this, market conditions translate into longer procurement timelines for the material used. So Sarah applies her knowledge to evaluate alternatives and make suggestions. This is Sin beam. It's similar in concept to a steel plate girder in that it's made up of flat plate flanges and web. The only difference is that rather than a flat plate web, Sin beam uses a corrugated web. The result is a light and efficiently fabricated steel beam with higher load capacity to weight ratio due to the sinusoidal shape of the web. Think cardboard boxes. Corrugated web beams have been internationally applied in structural steel engineering for over 40 years. And Steelcon has more than 15 million square feet of Sin beam projects under their belt. Sarah can apply Sin beam as an alternate to the wide flange shape Sam used in his design, resulting in a lighter design and reduced procurement and fabrication time. This is possible because Steelcon manufactures Sin beam on a fully automatic production line, eliminating the material and time losses caused in hot-rolled steel production. And because Steelcon uses readily available materials to fabricate Sin beams, Simon's risk is further reduced in case there are design changes after the steel is ordered. In cases like this, Sarah would design the Sin beam members to suit the load and deflection criteria as specified on Sam's structural drawings, and she would work with the contractor and Sam's team to maintain the clear height requirements for the building. As with any other engineered building components, Steelcon would be responsible for the design of the Sin beam members and their related connections, and would provide stamped shop drawings for Sam's review. The result is a cost-effective, quality building delivered with a reduced schedule. It's a win for all parties involved. At Steelcon, everything we do to make your life easier.